Hi guys, welcome back to Kenny 610. This is Dr. Cosby taking you guys through yet another free database that's really good at finding evidence-based research articles, and I truly do like this database because it actually breaks down the research articles that are yielded in terms of level of hierarchy. And so it's called TRIP database. So you're going to go to your search or your browser, and you're going to type in www.tripdatabase.com, and then from there you'll be taken to this page, and this is the TRIP database website. And as you can tell, I've already been playing around with it, but you can use the advanced search option. However, it does cost a fee, so when you click on it, you probably won't be able to unless you pay for that. I do not recommend that at all. But what I want to draw your attention to is this Pico search tab. If you click there, one of the things I like about it, and one of the awesome things about creating your Pico question in Module 1, is that now you have the search terms that you're going to be using to find evidence-based research articles. And so we'll keep with our carpal tunnel patient. So we said carpal tunnel syndrome patients were our population. We said the intervention was conservative treatment. We said the comparison was surgical intervention. And then we said the outcome was we wanted to reduce pain in this particular patient. And then we click search. And then what I really like about this database is what you see on this page here, where you see the different research articles that are yielded based on the 4 search terms from our Pico question. But more importantly, what it does is it breaks down each of the research articles on the levels of hierarchy. And so you can see that the research article number 1 is an evidence-based synopsis, which, remember, that's at the peak of the pyramid. It's some of the top, most rigorous, most peer-reviewed research articles. And so if you click there, it'll take you to a different website where this evidence-based synopsis is, and what you can see are all of the alternative, basically conservative treatments that have been used in the treatment of carpal tunnel, interestingly enough, and then a synopsis on how those different conservative treatments have impacted maybe pain in patients with carpal tunnel syndrome. So again, it's a synopsis. It's going to give you all of the research that's available on conservative treatment in carpal tunnel patients. So I really like that about the TRIP database. Some other things that I really like about the TRIP database is it gives you the option to never show specific types of evidence. And remember what we said about the lower tier of the levels of research is that they aren't very rigorous. You probably would not use them, right? And that would be your textbook. That would be subjective opinion. So for example, this really low quality research article, you could click on this More tab and say, never show this category again. And so what it would do is then take away all of the e-textbook categories, and then it would essentially basically lead you with hopefully more quality research articles. So this is the TRIP database, just another evidence-based database to use when you're searching for research articles to help support you as you continue on working on your capstone and or master's thesis project. I hope this is helpful. Again, there are tons of search engines. You have to choose the ones that you feel are easiest to work with and that would yield the best, most quality results as you're looking for research articles to help write your lit review for your capstone project or your master's thesis. Again, thank you for your time. Looking forward to navigating Module 2 with you guys.